Hello students, let us continue the session on revision in the chapter mensuration. We have discussed till question 14. The 14th to 20th question here are related to true or false. 14th one, if length of a rectangle is halved and breadth is doubled, then area of rectangle obtained will remain same. Suppose if I consider the length to be L and the breadth to be B, what will be area of this particular rectangle? Area will be L into B. This is one case. In the next case, if the length is hard, the new length will become equal to, let me write here, new length, this will be equal to L by 2, and new breadth is doubled, so it becomes 2 times B. Now in this case, area will be L by 2 into 2 times B. 2 and 2 will go cancelled, we'll be getting L into B. So area will remain same. Since area is same, the statement is a true statement. 15th statement, area of a square is doubled if the side of a square is doubled. Is this statement true? Let me consider a square in which the side is A units, then its area is A square. This is for a square with the side A units. If the side of a square is doubled, then we get a new square with the side 2A. Then what will be its area? Area will be 2A whole square. This becomes 4 times A square. In this case, area of new square is 4 times area of the original square. So area is doubled. This statement is a false statement. 16th question, perimeter of a regular octagon of side 6 cm is 36 cm. What is an octagon? Octagon is the one in which there will be 8 sides, and it's a regular octagon, 8 equal sides will be there. So each side is given equal to 6 cm. So perimeter will be 8 times the side. So 8 times 6 cm will give us 48 cm. So the given statement is a false statement. A farmer who wants to fence his field must find perimeter of the field. This particular statement is a true statement, so I'll mention it's a true statement. For finding how much fence to be done, we require its outer boundary, which is the perimeter. An engineer who plans to build a compound wall on all sides of a house must find area of the compound. This particular statement is a false statement. To find out what length of the compound to be done, our engineer requires perimeter of the compound. Must find perimeter of the compound. To find the cost of painting a wall, we need to find the perimeter of the wall. This particular statement is a false statement. To find out how much cost is, we require area, not the perimeter. Must find area. To find the cost of a frame of a picture, we need to find perimeter of the picture. This particular statement is a true statement. A photo frame will be having a frame. This frame has to be found by finding the perimeter, not the area. So this statement is a true statement. Next, question number 21. 4 regular hexagons are drawn so as to form a design as shown in the figure 6.11. If the perimeter of the design is 28 centimeters, find the length of each side of hexagon. Perimeter is the outer boundary. So let's find out how many sides are there in the outer boundary. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. The outer sides are 14 in number. So perimeter of design is given. Perimeter of design is 28 centimeter. In this perimeter there are 14 sides. 14 times of the side is 28 centimeter. So each side will be 28 upon 14, which will be 2 centimeters. So each side of hexagon is 2 centimeters. Next one. Perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 50 centimeter. If one of the equal sides is 18 centimeter, find the third side. For convenience, I'll consider the third side to be x centimeters. We know perimeter is sum of the three sides. They have given the equal sides to be 18. So 18 plus 18 plus x. So perimeter is given as 50. This is equal to 36 plus x. So x will be equal to 50 minus 36. The value of x is 14 centimeter. So the remaining side or the third side is 14 centimeters. Question 23. Length of a rectangle is 3 times its breadth. Perimeter of the rectangle is 40 centimeters. Find length and width. Here they have given length is 3 times breadth. We all know that perimeter of rectangle is given by 2 times length plus breadth. So perimeter is 2 times 3b plus b. 3b plus b is 4b. So perimeter will become equal to 8 times b. So b will be equal to perimeter by 8. They have given it as 40. 40 by 8. We get it as 5 centimeters. So the breadth is 5 centimeter. Length will be 3 times b. So 3 times of 5 is 15 centimeters. So the length 15, breadth 5 centimeter. They are the length and the breadth. Question number 24. There was a rectangular lawn 10 meter long and 4 meter wide in front of Mina's house, as shown in the figure 6.12. It is fenced along the 2 smaller sides and 1 longer side, leaving a gap of 1 meter for the entrance. Find the length of the fence. Here they have given the length of a rectangular lawn. This is 10 meters. And they have also given the breadth of lawn. The breadth of the lawn is 4 meters. The length of fencing along the two smallest sides of lawn will be equal to 4 meter plus 4 meter. This will become equal to 8 meters. Question number 25. The region given in figure 6.13 is measured by taking one rectangular strip as a unit. What is the length of the region? So we need to find out how many rectangular shapes are there in this figure. Let's count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Since there are 13 rectangular shapes, area will be equal to 13 square units. Tahir measured the distance around a square field as 200 rods. It's called as lati in Hindi. Later, he found that the length of this rod was 140 centimeter. Find the side of this field in meters. He is finding a distance around a square field. So distance around a square field is nothing but the perimeter. So the perimeter will be equal to the distance around square field. We all know that since it's a square field, 4 times the side is the perimeter. So 4 times side will be equal to the length of 200 rods. And for one rod, the length is 140 centimeter. This implies 4 times the side is 200 to be multiplied with 140 centimeters. So we can find a side as 200 by 140 divided by 4. Let's simplify. This will be 450 times 14 5s are 70. So we get 7000 centimeters. If I want to convert in terms of meter, I have to divide by 100. We get 70 meters. So the length or side of the field is 70 meters. Question 27. The length of a rectangular field is twice its breadth. Jamal logged around it 4 times and covered a distance of 6 kilometers. What is the length of the field? Here it's a rectangular field and they have given a length of the field as 2 times the breadth. If I consider the length to be L, breadth to be B, length is equal to 2 times of breadth. And the perimeter is given by 2 times length plus breadth. So it is 2 times of length is 2B plus B. We get it as 6 times B. And they have also given that Jamal logged around 4 times and covered a distance 6 kilometers. So 4 times of the perimeter will be equal to 6 kilometers. In terms of meter, it will be into 1000 meters. So we get it as 4 times 6b equal to 6 into 1000. So we can find b. B will be equal to 6 into 1000 divided by 4 times 6. 6 and 6 will get cancelled. 4 250 times is 1000. Breadth becomes 250 meter. Hence the length will be 2 times of 250, which is 500 meters. You can cross check the answer if you want. Perimeter will be 6b. 6 times of 250 multiplied to 4 times will give 6000. Let me give this question as a homework question. We need to find out the perimeter of this figure. You can try this out. With this question, I'll end today's session. Thank you.